Now,
Yes, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Good
Okay, so children,
afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. So welcome back again to our math class. We celebrated Onam and we had good vacation. Now we are going back to our math topic. Do you
Math.
remember what we were learning before the holidays?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Okay, and multiplication we have only like 2 or 3 questions. Then we will complete. So before that, I will just quickly ask 5 minutes multiplication table. Huh? 20.
We completed up to 19th question.
Okay, okay. So all the children, I am going to mute. I will ask 5 minutes multiplication table. Just I want to know whether our or you are able to recall and do. Angelina. Nine into 6. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
9 into 6.
9 into 6 is 54.
4. Bharadwaj, 9 into 8. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
9 into 8. Not able to hear. Use your 9 into 8. I think you are saying wrong. 9 into 8. Alok, 9 into 7. Nine into 7, Alok. There's some network problem. Devak, please unmute and say 9 into 9. Devak.
81.
81. Alok, yes, unmute. Devak, very good. Okay. Alok, unmute. Gautam.
Ma'am?
9 into 8.
72.
72. Okay. Adinath, 9 into 4.
Ma'am?
9 into 4.
Ma'am?
9 into 4.
36.
9 into 4.
'Yes, ma'am.
9 into 7.
9 into 7, 63.
63. 9 into 7 is 63. 9 into 4 is 36. Okay, Adinath. 9 into 4 is 36. And when you turn that numbers, change the numbers like 9 into 7, that is 63. Okay. Felix, 9 into 9. 9 into 9.
81.
81. Okay. Ammu, 4 into
Yes, ma'am.
7. 4 into 7.
Ma'am?
4 into 7.
28.
28. Okay. So, Madhav, one more question, then we will start. 8 into 8. Madhav,
Yes, ma'am.
8 into 8.
Yes?
8 times 8.
8 times 8.
Forgot multiplication table in during your Onam holidays.
Ma'am,
8 into 8. Yes? 64. 8 times 8. 64. I thought I will finish now the tables. Now I think I want to ask you again. Brightlin. Some videos are stuck. Brightlin, can you hear me? John, 6 into 6. 6 into 6. 6, 6. Very easy questions. 6 into 6. All these children, again in the next period, I will ask you the tables. 6 into 6, who can say faster? Yes, Agni.
36.
Okay, 7 into 7.
49.
49. Okay. So children, you have to be thorough with the multiplication table. Then only you will be able to do the questions faster. Okay. So question number 20. Fia, please read question number 20. Can you tell me the page number? Some children, they don't know the page number. They don't know the multiplication table. All went in. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 20.
A shop has 2,568 chocolates, which cost rupees 25 each, and 4,598 biscuit packets, which cost rupees 18 each. Find the total cost of all the chocolates and biscuit packets.
Okay. So children, till 19, we have done the same model, but here we have two things, that is chocolates and biscuits. You have to find the total separately. Then you have to find the total cost of both chocolate and biscuit.
Price.
So Fia, what can be the first step?
Number of chocolates.
A shop has 2,568 chocolates, which cost 25 rupees. Okay, so we can write number of chocolate, or you can write the cost of chocolates. Okay,
ma'am.
so number of chocolates, how much? 2,568.
2,500.
Okay, so what will be the second step? Cost of each
Cost of each
chocolate.
biscuit
Okay,
pack.
so we can do together. All the children, please take page 53. All of you.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Can you see the board?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So all the children, please mute because some disturbance. Please check from where the sound is coming. Okay. So question number 1, it is given that cost of each chocolate is 25. So we are writing question number 20. I'm going to write question number 20. Page number 53. Open your math workbook, page 53, question number 20. So the first step, cost of each chocolate. Cost of each chocolate. John Sebi, please unmute and tell me the cost of each chocolate, how much rupees? How much rupees?
18 rupees.
18 rupees. Read the question again. A shop has how many chocolate? The first sentence itself.
Ma'am, the chocolate shop has
Rupees
is 25.
25 rupees. So the rupees 25 is the cost of each chocolate. And next step, how many chocolates are there? 2,560. So we can write number of chocolates. Number of chocolates. Isha, tell me the number of chocolates. Number of chocolates.
Ma'am, the number of chocolates is 2,568.
2,568. What can be the next step, Isha? Please unmute and speak.
The next step is we have to find the total price of all the chocolates.
Okay, so cost of each chocolate is 25 and number of chocolates is 2,568. So we can write total cost of chocolates. Okay, total cost of chocolates. Children, multiply and find out the answer. Total cost of chocolates 2568 multiplied by 25. All the children. Do it fast. So in our whiteboard, we can write 2568. 2568 multiplied by 25. Richard, unmute and tell me the answer. 8 5s are. Unmute and speak.
Ma'am,
5 8s are. Look at the board and tell me. We will do it together. 5 8.
40.
5 8s are 40. So the carryover 4. Okay. Then 5 into 6.
30.
30 plus 4.
434.
34. Carry over 3. Again 5 into 5.
25 plus 3.
25 plus 3.
28.
28. Carry over 2.
5
5
into
2s
2,
are
10.
10 plus 2.
12.
Okay. Then multiply with, start with 2. Start
8
with,
into 2, 16.
start with,
2.
okay,
So
start
what
with
we
2.
will
But how we will start the answer? Second
Put
row. 0. Start with 0. Then we have to start with 8 2s are
16.
16. Carry over 1. Okay. 6 2s are
12 plus 1,
12 plus
13.
1, 13. Carry over 1. 5
5
2s are 10
into 2,
plus 1,
10 plus 1, 11.
11. Okay. Carry over 1. 2 2s are 4. 4
4
plus 1,
plus 1, 5.
5. Okay. Find out the total. Tell me, add 0 plus 0.
0.
0.
0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 6, 10. So
Carry over 1 here.
1.
Plus
Then 8 plus 1, 9.
9 plus
3,
3, 12. Carry over 1.
Carry over 3. So
Plus
1
2.
plus 2, 3. Plus 1, 4.
4.
Then 1 plus 5, 6.
So 6 4 2 0 0. How to read this number?
64,200.
64,200. What is this? Rupees. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Anusri got the answer? Yes. Okay. So children, we can write here. We will write the answer as rupees 64,200. So we can write this is 64,200 rupees. Okay, children. Now, Madhav, please unmute and tell me what can be the next step?
Cost of each biscuits.
Cost of each biscuit. How much rupees?
18.
18. Then?
Number of biscuits.
Oh, number of biscuits. Then total cost of biscuits. Okay. Continue, children. Do fast. Cost of each chocolate. Then 64,200. We have to write. I'm going to erase these steps. Okay. Okay. Again, we are going to continue that one. That is cost of each biscuit packet. Okay, Chinmay, tell me what is the cost of each biscuit packet?
18.
Rupees 18. And how many biscuit packets like that? Number of biscuits?
4,598.
Okay, number of. So number of biscuits means we can see that biscuit packet. Number of biscuits, that is 4598. 4598. Okay, so you can find out total cost of biscuits. Cost of each biscuit packet is given, number of packets given. So we have to find out total cost of biscuits. So we can write 4598 multiplied by 18. Who got the answer? All are doing. Angelina, over. Tell me the answer. Hmm. What's the answer? Where is Angelina? Yes, Angelina. Tell the answer. Not audible. What happened? Check the device you are. Check again, Angelina. Please unmute.
Ma'am, she's mute.
Yes, Angelina. Yes. Tell the answer.
Something, but we can't hear.
You are telling Angelina. Can you be louder?
Ma'am, she is not connected.
Okay, then Agnes, tell me the answer. Angelina, this here it's okay. It's mute. It's unmuted. But I don't know the device sound. You check the device sound. Earphone. Is it connected?
Earphone. When we say when earphone connected to audio, when we say it will not work, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So Agnes, please tell me the answer. Agnes. All others, please listen.
82,764.
82,764. 82,764. All of you got the answer? 82,764.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So total cost of biscuits. Children, you can write here because this is rupees. You can write 82,764. Bright, then read the last sentence. What do you have to find out? Find the total cost of all the chocolates and biscuits. Yes? So what can be, Anusri, what can be the last step, Anusri?
Find out the total cost of all the chocolates and the biscuit packet.
Okay. Anusri, please tell me last step what we can write. Cost of?
Cost of all the biscuits and chocolates.
Very good. Cost of both chocolates and biscuits. Okay. Cost of
Place to write. Ma'am, I don't have place to write.
no place. Make
No,
this
ma'am.
in the one sentence the answer. Cost of both chocolates and biscuits.
Okay, ma'am.
Add the price of biscuits and chocolates together. So first one we got rupees 64,200 plus rupees 82,764. Find out the answer, all of you.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Okay. Gautam, tell me the answer, Gautam.
Ma'am,
Write the, tell me the number and number name you can say later. 1, 4 like that you can say.
14694.
6,
146 964.
964. Now we can place the comma after 3 digit, then after 2 digit. Now read the number name.
1,46,964.
46,964. So children, first you write the number, then place the commas, then you will be able to say the number name properly. So what's the answer? 1,46,964. So here, all of you got the answer? Children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here in this question, what we have to do? We have to find out. First, we have to find the cost of.
Ma'am, can you hear?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Excuse me. Can you hear me?
Who is that? Tell me your name.
Angelina.
Yes, Angelina. Now I can hear.
Ma'am, my microphone also having some problem.
That's what I told, no? That time. Okay. So children, please listen what we hear. Here we have to first find out the price of chocolates. Then we have to separately find out the cost of biscuits. Then what you have to find the total cost of both chocolates and
Excuse me, ma'am.
chocolate and biscuits. Yes. Who is calling?
Ma'am, can you show
Yes,
the
Ayman.
answer? Ma'am, can you show the answer? Ma'am, I didn't check.
Okay, check your board. Check the board faster.
Finish. Ma'am, 1,46,000.
1,46,964.
964.
Okay.
Correct, ma'am.
Yes, correct.
Finish. Yes,
Now, all the children, start doing question number 21. Fast.
Can you give homework?
Now. You can start now. 5 more minutes is there. 7 more minutes is there. What do you have to do? Anandesh, please read the question number 21, Anandesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number
Find the
21.
missing numbers in these products.
Find the missing number. How to find the missing number?
We should multiply.
If you multiply, you will get the answer. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the children, do it fast now. Three, 4, 1, 7. Multiplied by 63. So when we multiply, we will get the missing numbers. Yes? Devak, are you able to unmute, Devak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to multiply, which is this question 21A. Question number 21A. Okay. 7 3s are. Start, Devak. We can find out, then the automatically we can write the missing numbers. Okay. 7 3s are
21.
21, and carryover is 2. Then 3 1.
3, 1,
3
3.
into 1. 3 plus 2.
3 plus 2, 5.
5. Okay. 3 4s are
3 4s are 12.
12. Carryover is 1. Then 3 into 3.
Into 3, 9.
9 plus 1.
9 plus 1, 10.
10. So first row, which was missing? Which number was missing there?
Tens place and thousands place.
Here it was missing.
Tens place
Yeah.
and
0 was missing and 5 was missing. Okay, find out the next. 6 into 7. 42.
42.
Carryover is 4. 6 1 into 6 into 1. 6
6
plus
into 1, 6. 6 plus 2,
you
8.
start with 0. Start with 0. Okay. Tell me 6 into 1, 6 plus 4.
6 plus 4, 10.
Okay, carry over 1. Then
Carry over.
6
4
into
into
4,
6,
24 plus
24.
24 plus 1, 25.
25.
Carry over is 2. Again multiply with 6 into 3.
18.
18 plus 2,
18 plus 2, 20.
20. Okay, now tell me which one was missing here?
0 and
0 and 2.
2.
So here that missing places was
100, 0 and 2.
here this 2 was missing and 0
100.
also. Okay, so those children who have done, please check whether your answer is correct. Here which one was missing? Here 0 and 5. Okay, now add and find out the answer. In the answer. Yes, Daniel, please unmute and tell me. 1 plus 0. Yes, Daniel, unmute.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am,
1 plus
you
0.
can call me
0. 5 plus 2.
one itself.
1 itself. Okay, 5 plus 2. Fast. Can you see the board?
Ma'am,
5 plus 2.
Ma'am, 1 plus 0 is 1, not 0.
Okay. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, tell me 5 plus 2. 5 plus
Ma'am?
2. Yes.
7,
7. 2 plus 0.
2 itself.
2. 5 plus 0.
5 itself.
5. 1 plus 0.
1 itself.
1. Then 2. So here which one was missing? Which number was missing?
0 and
In the answer. Look at your question. Which?
0 and 2.
5 was missing in your answer. Yes? Please check the question, all of you. Which one was missing? Here in the second row 2 was missing and here 0 was missing. Here also 0 and here 5. So did you get the answer, all of you?
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
how to read this number? From here 3, then 2. So here 2,15,271. Children, did you get the answer? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you do question number B as homework? B.
Question number 22, I finished. Ma'am.
Finish. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, children. So when is your next class? Next period? What time?
Period.
3:15.
3:15. Okay, children. Please note the change in your timings. Okay, please note the change in the timings and be ready with the answer of question number 21B. Okay, children. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.